As a technology leader in electrical safety solutions, you can trust that Eaton will help you protect your workers, property, investment, and meet today's latest solar industry trends. With our AC collection systems for solar string inverter projects, Eaton can provide you easy installation, labor savings, and will help lower the total cost of your investment. As opposed to a separate AC panel and transformer, which are not necessarily made for each other, the close-coupled connection of Eaton's solar AC collection system makes for a quick and easy installation in the field compared to an underground cable connection. Here, we'll walk you through a series of easy steps to install Eaton's close-coupled, low-voltage throat connection between a typical 2500 kVA pad-mounted transformer and a low-voltage AC recombiner switchboard. Before starting the installation, make sure to perform a proper job and safety review. This includes ensuring the proper PPE gear is available for personal safety and protection, and follow the lockout-tagout procedures. For the purposes of this installation demonstration, the transformer has already been set into its final place, following the transformer lifting and handling instructions. To begin the installation, open the front switchboard doors. As required, unbolt and remove the lower front, rear, and side panels to access and remove all lag bolts that secure the bottom of the switchboard to the shipping skid. Locate and remove the close couple connection part kit and boxes typically shipped inside the switchboard. The flexible connectors used for the close couple bus connections are typically factory installed on the bus conductors at the switchboard flange. For ease of installation, we suggest unbolting and removing the flex connectors from the switchboard and installing them on the transformer flange bushing extensions. Finally, remove the 2 bolts and nuts installed on the switchgear ground bus at the transformer throat. The transformer low-voltage flange bushing extensions are shown ready to receive the flexible connectors previously removed from the switchboard. Install the hardware finger-tight and dress the flex connector alignment to the top holes of the bushings. Tighten each half-inch bolt to 50 foot-pounds with a calibrated torque wrench. Spread the ends of the flex leads apart for each phase and neutral connection to facilitate the final placement of the switchboard. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the plastic thread protector inserts from the grounding pad located at the bottom inside surface of the transformer throat. Before lifting and placing the switchboard to its final location, verify all lag bolts used to secure the shipping skid have been removed. Reinstall all bolted front, rear, and side panels, and close the front doors to maximize the structural integrity of the switchboard during lifting. If desired, the upper rear panel closest to the switchboard flange can be removed to assist with the visual alignment of the bus conductors to the transformer bushings during placement. Lift the switchboard following the lifting and handling instructions and remove the shipping skid. Carefully position the switchboard onto a flat concrete pad at its final location for close coupling. The throats of the switchboard and transformer should be aligned with a gap of 1/4 to 1/2 inch. The switchboard 3-phase and neutral bus conductors must be located between the braided connectors previously installed on the transformer bushings. The holes of the switchboard ground bus and the transformer ground pad should also be aligned. Once the switchboard and transformer are properly aligned, we are ready to complete the close-coupled bolted connections. Visibility and access to the required bus connections can easily be accomplished by reopening the front doors and then removing the upper, lower, front, and rear panels of the switchboard closest to the transformer throat. Through the switchboard panel openings, align the flexible connectors from the transformer bushings to the holes of the 3-phase and neutral switchboard bus conductors. Install the flex connectors using 1/2-inch grade 5 hardware and tighten them finger tight. When all flex connectors and hardware are in place, tighten all 1/2-inch bolts to 50 foot-pounds with a calibrated torque wrench. Install the switchboard ground bus conductor to the transformer ground pad using the 2 1/2-inch grade 5 bolts provided. Once the bolted connections are complete and the proper torque verified, reinstall all the bolted panels and close the front doors. The final step is the installation of the flange sealing ring to assure that the switchboard and transformer's flange are properly mated and sealed from weather conditions. The kit includes double-sided adhesive tape, which is applied to the outside edges of the transformer and switchboard flanges. Install the tape along the full length of both flanges, including the top, sides, and bottom surfaces. A roll of felt gasket is also provided in the kit. Drape the felt over the flanges and push it down on the edges to be held in place by the tape. The felt must cover the air gap along the full circumference of the flange. One continuous piece is preferred. Once the felt is fully installed, the top flange sealing ring is then placed over the top of the matching flanges, covering the felt. The bottom flange sealing ring is then fitted into place and bolted to the top sealing ring, completing the installation. When you work with a single-source supplier like Eaton, you get a commitment to your project. From helping to secure project financing, utility and AHJ approvals, and best-in-class lead times, we help keep your project on schedule and within budget. Our focus is to help you maximize your energy harvest and investment while improving operator safety. For more information on Eaton's solar and energy storage solutions, please visit eaton.com/solar.